So it looks like Insta360's Luna is finally getting close to launch, and now we have a much clearer picture of when it's actually coming. Up until recently, all we had was a vague first half of 2026 window confirmed by Insta360's CEO. But now, leaks are getting a lot more specific, pointing toward mid-May 2026, with May 15th being the date that keeps popping up. And at this point, that's right around the corner. But honestly, the launch timing isn't even the most interesting part anymore. What's really turning heads right now is new leaked footage, and not because of the design. We've already had a rough idea of what Luna might look like. This time, it's all about what's happening on the screen. In that footage, there's a 12x zoom toggle clearly visible. Now, before getting too excited, this probably isn't pure optical zoom. What it likely means is something like a 6x telephoto lens combined with a 2x in-sensor crop to reach that 12x figure. But even then, that's a big deal. Because if you compare that to something like DJI's Pocket lineup, which typically sticks around 2x lossless or maybe 3x optical zoom, Luna is playing in a completely different league when it comes to reach. And that seems to be the whole point of this camera. This isn't just another pocket-sized gimbal camera. Luna is trying to bring real zoom capability into a category that's never really had it before. Now, when it comes to specs, things are still a bit uncertain. The only detail that's been somewhat consistent across leaks is a 1550 mAh battery. Everything else, still very much in rumor territory. That said, expectations are pretty high. We're hearing potential support for 4K at 240 frames per second, 10-bit color, and of course, Insta360's signature AI-powered stabilization, which has been solid in their previous cameras. So on paper, this is shaping up to be something that blends an action camera with a pocket gimbal system. And yeah, it's pretty clear this is aimed directly at competing with DJI's upcoming pocket models. But where things get really interesting is the design. From what's been teased and hinted at so far, Luna might not be a simple, fixed, all-in-one camera like DJI's Pocket series. There are growing signs that this could be a modular system. We're talking about the possibility of detachable components, maybe the camera unit itself, maybe even the battery. If that actually happens, it could open up a completely new level of flexibility for creators. But again, nothing fully confirmed yet. The good news is, we probably won't have to wait much longer to find out. Looking at the bigger picture, Insta360's strategy here is pretty clear. By combining optical zoom, dual lens potential, and possibly modular hardware, Luna isn't just trying to be another stabilized camera. It's trying to become a more versatile creative tool, something that adapts to different shooting styles instead of locking you into one setup. But in the end, everything comes down to execution. If the image quality holds up, the zoom feels smooth and usable, and the modular design actually delivers real-world value, this could easily become one of the most exciting pocket cameras we've seen in years. But if those things don't come together, then it risks becoming one of those products that sounds incredible on paper, but just doesn't fully click when people actually start using it. Either way, we're about to find out very soon.